Let's talk about the real estate sales roller coaster. So if you're a new agent, maybe you haven't experienced this yet, maybe you don't even have any ups, never mind downs. But if you're a long-term seasoned agent, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The real estate roller coaster is when you have a month of good sales and then no sales, then good sales, then no sales, and maybe 3 months of good sales and then 3 months of no sales. And before you know it, you're so burned out by this industry because you have these massive flows of cash coming into your bank account and then silence. And that's a problem. You know, it's a problem from a budgeting standpoint, and it's a problem from a consistency standpoint, and it can really burn you out quick. So in this video, I want to tell you how you can avoid that. And the way I personally found to avoid that problem, every month this year I've had a closing. You know, whether it's 1, whether it's 3, whether it's 4, I've had something going on. And now I've grown to a point where I have a team and things are, you know, flowing very well. But what I've learned is it all comes down to building a massive pipeline. So you might be asking, how do I build a pipeline? You know, I'm working on referral. I get a referral here and there. I close a deal. I get a referral here and there again. And that's how you get on the roller coaster. And if you keep operating your business that way, you're never going to get off. And if you don't get off that roller coaster, you're going to find yourself in the same place that most real estate agents end up. And that's out of the business in 5 years. Broke and really upset that they even tried to start this business up in the first place. So the real estate roller coaster can be avoided. What it comes down to is keeping the pipeline full. The way you keep the pipeline full is through marketing and through sales. So marketing is what drives the leads to you. So you want to create marketing campaigns, lead funnels. You have to really become a marketer if you want to build this thing big. But you want to build a front end that attracts leads, which are really just people that are interested in what you're doing. I call them hand raisers, into your funnel. And then once you get them in there, you want to be able to sell them. So that's the sales part of your organization. And once you start combining those two and get those things in sync and learn how to follow up with clients and keep a full pipeline, you'll never have to worry about being on this real estate roller coaster ever again. What's going to happen is you're going to have consistent closings every single month, and you won't have to worry about the instability and the ups and downs of the real estate sales business. So go out there, build the big pipeline, learn about marketing, learn about sales, and avoid this whole up and down real estate roller coaster thing. So drop a comment below, tell me about your experience in the real estate sales business, and let's connect. So hit that like button, subscribe. I look forward to talking to you.